KHF Automotive Group is started in 2006 and we are the agent for Higer and various other commercial vehicles in UAE. My name is Ahmed Kabeer. I am the General Manager of KHF Automotive Group. As the automobile industry, our requirement is different from the regular tailor-made softwares. Apart from the trading activity, we have workshop which needs custom-built software according to our existing application. So when there is a vehicle comes for a service, we need to do a lot of protocols. It was not available ready-madely with the Zoho books. We engaged with Zoho Partner. We developed a new system with the help of Linz, and it was really fantastic and it is serving our purpose.
I'm Kingslin. I'm the director at Linz Technologies. We're a Zoho Premium Partner, around 11 years of experience. The requirement that KHF came up with is the garage management. After sales, they have a service department. So there's a lot of vehicle that comes in for service. In Zoho, we built a custom application for garage management in Zoho Creator, which takes care of the job card, it takes care of the gate pass, it takes care of the inspection, quality check, quotations, AMC, contracts of the vehicle, and it also integrates with the Zoho inventory and Zoho books. This has really helped them to optimize the service management to service the customers in time. Now, in service, usually what happens is once a bus is being sold, it comes for a service. So they typically schedule the service for the bus. Then they do an inspection for the bus, right? So during the inspection, they would identify what are the key changes that they have to do for the spare parts, right? They come up with the labor cost for it, and they give an estimation to the client, right? Once they get an approval from the client on these estimations, they create a job card. So job card is a place where actually all the job processing happens, where it's assigned to each mechanics, right? It can be an electrical, any kind of mechanical jobs that they'll have. And each of these jobs has a time tracking to it as well. So whenever the mechanics works on these requirements, there's a QR code for which they can check in and check out the time for that same. So this helps them to know what is the time that's taken for a particular job to be completed. This has helped KHF in saving time and increasing their efficiency.